So welcome to my screen, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to download the Kwikpay app and how to register for it on your mobile phone and also on the website. So for Android users, they're going to have to download the Kwikpay app from the Google Play Store. I'm going to click on my Play Store here and it's opening. So it's already open. So I'm going to type Kwikpay on the search bar here. So it is already on my recent history, but I'm going to type it for you guys to see. So Kwikpay and click on the start button. So Kwikpay, here it is, the second app here on my screen. That's the Kwikpay, the one with the green background and the box kind of icon on the logo. So I'm gonna have to click on it. So it's showing open here on my phone. That's because I already have it installed on my mobile phone, but for you it's going to show install. So you're going to have to click on the install button for it to install. As you can see, the file is not much, so it's not going to waste much of a time to be done in no time. So for now I'm going to click on open because I already have it installed on my phone. So it's loading. So the notification menu popped up saying BVN verification needed for KYC. Just so you know, this is a new policy on all virtual accounts for them to update their KYC. So you're going to be using your BVN to be updating the KYC. So it's not going to take much of a time and it's completely safe. You don't need to worry about your information being leaked or anything. So once again, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. It's not going to take much of a time so that you can easily fund your wallet. So I'm going to click on the understood button over here. Then I'm going to click on open. So this is what you're going to see as a new user, the login page, where you get to see your email address and your password. So if you're a new user, you have to click on the register now button over here. Or if you're already a previous user on Kwikpay, you can just log in by putting your email and your password. For the sake of this video, I'm going to click on register now because I want to show you how to register on the Kwikpay app. So I'm going to click on register now. So now a pop-up menu has opened. It said account sign up. Here this is where you're going to put in your details. So you can see this is your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number. Then you have to create a password. Then if someone referred you, as the referral code, you're going to have to input the referral code, though it said here it's optional, so it's not really necessary. But if you're referred by someone, you can also input the referral code so that person can also reap his or her benefits. So I'm going to put in my first name and last name. I fill in all these details and click on register. So I'm going to click on register now since I've already filled in all my information that is needed. So here it's saying my registration is successful and I should log in now. I'm going to click on OK. So now I'm going to fill in my email and the password I used when I was signing up. So I want to click on login. So it says here I should kindly set a PIN for my account before using my account. So you're going to set a PIN. So this PIN, please take note that this PIN is what you'll be using to carry out every of your transaction. Just like in your OP or your Kuda, before you carry out any transaction, you'll be asked for a 4-digit PIN. So the same PIN as here in the Kwikpay app for security reasons. So I'm going to create a 4-digit PIN I'm going to be using for my account. So let's say 1450. Click on proceed. So please do not forget this 4-digit PIN because if you forget it, you cannot make any transaction on the Kwikpay app. So you can also reset it on your profile page. I'm going to show you how you can do that later on in my upcoming videos. So here, this is how the Kwikpay app looks like. This is the platform. This is how it looks like for a first user. I see this hamburger menu right here. You can click it. This is everything. You can see this is my name, my ID number. You can see I just a new account. I've not funded my wallet, so this is my balance. This is the fund wallet, other services, the sign out. There are also different things you can do on the Kwikpay app. So I'll be going through all this later on in the video, my upcoming videos, how to become a reseller, about the blog page. So you can see this blog page. There are a few articles here that you can use. Maybe if you are stuck when you're using the Kwikpay app, there are like few articles that you can read, you can go through before contacting the customer support, because most of the questions might have already been answered in one of these blog posts over here. So now I'm going to go back. You can see I've already created the account, so you can just go through the app and just get familiar with it. These are the service page, the services that Kwikpay app offer: buy e-pin, funding, betting wallets, airtime top up, mobile data, TV payment, electricity bill payment, edu pins and all. You can click on the view all. This is everything over here in case you don't want to be scrolling. So if you want to fund your wallet, so you're going to have to click on this fund wallet. There is this plus sign over here. Clicking on the plus sign, as you can see, you're just a new user, so you have to generate your bank account. So this bank account is personally for you. It's personally for you. So you're going to have to click on generate bank account. So here now there's a pop-up menu saying verify your identity. So you're going to have to update your KYC with your BVN. Please note that the name on your BVN has to correspond with the name that you used to register your app. So make sure that your first name and your last name is the same thing with that's on your BVN. If not, it's not going to update. You're going to have problems updating your KYC. So I'm going to put my BVN over here. So I'm done putting my BVN, and you are going to have to insert your date of birth as well. So this is my date of birth and this is my BVN, and I'm done. So I'm going to click on the update KYC. So please, this is just a quick reminder, your information is very safe on our platform and you don't need to worry about any leak or breach of information. It's 100% secure and safe right on the Kwikpay platform. So make sure all your details are correct. That's your first name and your last name with your date of birth, so that the KYC can be successful and it can be done in one go. You're going to click on update KYC. So as you can see now, my account has been successfully updated. So you are done with the KYC verification, which means that any money you're putting in now is going to reflect on your wallet. But if you do not do your KYC, any money you put into your wallet will not go. They're not going to send the money to your wallet. So you have to use your NIN for your KYC verification. So that any money you transfer from your third-party bank or your main bank account can reflect on your virtual account. It's a compulsory something that you need to do. So now I'm going to click on the fund wallet, and as you can see, there's an account number here and my name. That is the name I used to register for the Kwikpay app. It will be Michael. This is the bank account you will be using, Wema Bank. If you are transferring from a third-party bank, that is your OPay, your Kuda, your Money Point, or even your main bank account. So you just have to click on Wema Bank, put in the account number, and send the amount that you need inside the virtual account for your transactions. So I'm not funding my wallet now, so I'm just going to show you how everything is done. And you can see here, please note that there's a charge of 15 naira on every deposit. On each deposit you do, a charge of 15 naira will be surcharged for you. So we are done with the mobile phone, and I'm going to move to the website so you can familiarize yourself with the app interface. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can do this using the website. For iPhone users and mobile users, maybe you're in your office or you don't have the phone with you, and if you want to use your laptop or your desktop, or for the iPhone users, because Kwikpay app is not on the App Store. So for iPhone users, you're going to have to use the website to make your transactions. It's very easy. I'm going to put you through the process. It won't take less than 2-3 minutes, and we are all done. So now I'm going to go to any browser of my choice. I'm going to make use of Chrome, but you can use any browser on your phone, the Kiwi browser, your Opera Mini, Firefox, just anyone. So now I'm going to click on my Google Chrome. I'm going to search in the Kwikpay websites. So you can just type in kwikpay.com.ng. So I'm going to type in mine, kwikpay.com.ng. So this is kwikpay.com.ng. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on search. So this is the website platform. This is how it looks like. It's very user friendly. These are services. Just you can scroll down, take a look at it, and familiarize yourself with it. So these are company address and everything. So it says log in here. It says log in here, or you can also download the app, that is from the Google Play Store, directly from the website. So this download link, this download button is going to take you to the website, but it's only for Android users. Please, iPhone users, they are not going to be able to download it because it's not available on the App Store. In case you just stumbled upon it on the website, you can download it from here in your Android phone. So this is why the download link is here, but you're going to have to click on log in. I log in here on the website. It's going to take you to the login page. Unlike the mobile version, this is how the login page looks like for the web version. For people who already have an account on the Kwikpay app, just put in your email and put in your password and click on login. But if you do not have an account on the Kwikpay, you can just click here, register now. In case you've forgotten your password, there is also a forgot password option. You can just click on it, and it's going to fill you in the process and how you're going to go about it. So I'm going to click on the register now. So now this is how it looks like on the web version. So we're going to fill in your first name, your last name, put your email address, your phone number. You have to answer this question. Put in your referral code is also optional, and your password. So I'm going to put in my first name, Michael. And create account. So now it says registration was successful. Please log in now. So you're going to click on login now. It's loading. It's going to take you back to the login page. So I'm going to put in the email that I used to register. And you click on login. So now my access is granted. So now it says set your transaction PIN. Just like before, you need to set a transaction PIN for the website version as well. And I've also explained before, this transaction PIN is what you're going to be using to carry out your transactions on the Kwikpay app. And it's very important that you do not forget it. If not, you cannot carry out any transaction, because this transaction PIN will be requested from you before you carry out any transaction on the Kwikpay app. So I'm going to have to set it up. Create a transaction PIN. I put 1470. Confirm it, 1470. And click on go. So it's loading. So now you are done. It said, good morning, Michael. Will be kindly enter your PIN to access your account and to continue your activity. So you're going to put in the PIN that you just created, 1470. click on go. Click on proceed. So now this is how the website version looks like for the Kwikpay app. Here you can see the services that are offered. They buy airtime, buy cable TV, buy data, buy EduPage and all. This is a very simple platform and it's not going to confuse you or anything. So it's very easy to navigate and easy to understand. This hamburger menu over here, you can click on it. These are everything: the main dashboard, transaction history, become a reseller, refer people and earn, manage your profile, contacts and inbox. So you can just get familiar with the app interface, the website interface. So here, if you want to fund your wallet, you can click on the fund wallet option over at the left hand side, at the top left hand side of your screen. You can see fund wallets here, transactions, business and auto repeats. So this auto repeat option, this is maybe when you always buy certain amount of data every day, or maybe at a particular time so day. So with auto repeat, you can set it that okay, at this particular time I need you to buy this amount of data for me every day. You understand? So you have to have money in your account before it actually works. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So if you want to fund your wallet, just click on the fund wallet button, and just like the mobile version, it says click here to generate your account. So you have to click here to generate your account because you're just a new user. And now you're going to need to put in your BVN to verify your NIN. So just like before, you put in your BVN. So I want to put my BVN. Click on update KYC. So you said PIN has been set successfully and the account verification is complete. So it doesn't waste so much time, and in less than 2 seconds your account has already been verified and you are now free to send money into your virtual account and carry out transactions on the Kwikpay app. So click on the fund wallet button. You can see that your bank account has already been created with your name there. This is the bank, and just like for your mobile version, if you want to deposit, you just take this account number to your third-party bank or your main bank, input your details, and you can send the money into your virtual account to carry out the transactions. And just like the mobile version, there's a 15 naira charge on each deposit. So we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you gained value from this video. So if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section, and I'll appreciate if you like this video. And also you can follow us on our social media handle on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram for more updates. And if you are giving out a free promo or any bonus or any updates, you can also get it from our social media handles. I appreciate if you subscribe to our channels so as to get notifications if we drop another video just like this. So thank you. See you next time.